What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online in 2019 getting paid daily. Welcome to this channel. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I'm coming out with daily content teaching you how to create a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. All about make money online, passive income while you sleep. It's all about making money while you sleep, guys. Billionaires, millionaires don't make money at a 9 to 5 job. They make money with multiple streams of income, right? So how are you going to make money in 2019? Well, this video is going to be not very short, but short and as well as detailed, to the point, with valuable content. So 2019 is here. Start making money online. If you're tired of working 9 to 5, if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and you want to make money, an unlimited amount of money, then you need to get started with affiliate marketing. Look, affiliate marketing can change your life, right? So affiliate marketing, if you don't know what it is, it's a person creates a product, creates a system, creates something. And then here you are, a promoter or affiliate marketer who promotes the product that someone else has created to a targeted audience. And when that targeted audience purchases the product that someone else made that you promoted, you get a commission. It's easy, it's simple. All you need is a good product and a target audience, right? But the one thing that can help you generate money online and a consistent income stream online is to have a done for you system. It's basically just like a franchise. If you buy a Chick-fil-A, or if you buy a Subway or 7-Eleven, you got to pay tens of thousands of dollars to start that franchise, right? But an online franchise, you can, start it up with low cost, but still make an unlimited amount of revenue. So I have a system right here that's done for you. It's all the system and steps within the system is already done for you. All you have to do is set it up, and it only takes 15 minutes to set it up. And it's a multiple streams of income. Like I said in the beginning of this video, like Warren Buffett and Tony Robbins and Gary Vee, all these well-known entrepreneurs who are millionaires and billionaires, they have multiple streams of income. They're getting income from real estate. They're getting income from their online business, income from selling books, income from multiple avenues and multiple streams, right? And so that's what we want to create, right? So Funnel X ROI. Funnel X ROI is a done-for-you, basically online franchise where you have multiple streams of income, all the funnels, all the back-end setups, all of it is done for you. All you have to do is set it up. And like I said, it takes 15 minutes, right? Two of the income streams that Funnel X ROI has in it, it's called EasyOneUp.com, and then another one is a integrate your pay-per-lead account. So this one is free. So all you have to do is refer people to the program, and it's a digital online course that teaches people how to create a successful brand online. All you do is refer that person to Funnel X ROI, this pay-per-lead account, for free. They sign up and you get a commission, right? They don't have to pay anything. All you do is you get the commission just from them signing up, right? But Easy One Up, this free pay-per-lead account, pay-per-lead system is also in there, as well as multiple others. They have Aweber, an autoresponder. They have RI Panel. They have one more thing. They have Now Lifestyle. So that's 6 different income streams that you can use just by activating and getting started with this one franchise. And look, you can make thousands, even tens of thousands a month if you just stick with this program, take action, and be consistent. So if you want to check out this program, Funnel X ROI, done for you system, check out the link in the description. It'll be the #1 link down there. Check it out and see what you think about it. You don't have to sign up for all of these programs. You can sign up for the free one if you want to, just to see how it works. Easy One Up, you can sign up for Easy One Up, but you do not have to pay for it in order to start promoting the product, right? So check out Funnel X ROI today, guys, and start making money online in 2019. Look, it's possible. All you have to do is take action and be consistent, right? And before you know it, you'll start seeing success online. All right. So thanks for watching this video. If you found some kind of some valuable content, some golden nuggets, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button on this video, and comment below if you're using Funnel X ROI and have seen some success. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.